TD5 cocoa tree. When it is alive, it will be green like this, but when it is ripe, it will be completely yellow. Cocoa tree. When it swells, it will be purple like this, and when it ripens, it will turn orange-red. So this is a cocoa flower from a flower that wants to develop into a main fruit. It takes about 4.5 to 5 months to develop into a main fruit. The longer the lifespan, the higher the yield of cara. The more fruit you can see on the tree, the larger these flower cushions are, the more yield it gives, the more yield it gives. So once I get the narrow part inside, I'll bring it over here so I can ferment it. I will have a layer of sacs and a layer of banana leaves on top to warm my seeds so that they can ferment better. So I dry them here for about 6 to 7 days to let my seeds dry. If it rains, I have a tarp to cover them.
Và mình phơi rồi thì chuyển sang màu nâu của sô-cô-la.
In particular, our millet seeds are purple when they are inside, but when they are fermented and dried, they turn chocolate brown. This is a roasting machine that can roast 30 kilograms at a time at a temperature of 150 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes for the beans to ripen. Here is my shelling. I'll put the seeds out and I'll take the seeds when they're solid. I'll take it over there. These are rollers. These rollers were made by Germans and run within 72 hours to produce a batch of pure chocolate. Here we only add milk to the chocolate like we would make milk chocolate or matcha chocolate. We just put the milk powder inside.
Thì đây là cái máy tem của mình, thì dưới chân cô sẽ có một cái bàn đạp khi mà mình đạp.